In a rational equation such as this, you have to keep in mind that ultimately you can't divide by 0. So if you come up with an answer that makes the denominator 0, you have to disregard it as a solution. So as I look at x minus 3, if x happened to come up the answer 3, I'd be having 3 minus 3 is 0, and I can't divide by 0. So we identify what x can't be first. X can't be the number 3. And then I solve it like I normally would, which means I need to find the LCD. To find the LCD, I look at the denominators. I have an x minus 3, I have a factor of 1, and I have a factor of x minus 3. So in my LCD, I'm going to need an x minus 3 factor and the number 1, but I don't need another x minus 3 because I already have an x minus 3 in my LCD. So what I'm going to do is multiply each term by 1 times x minus 3. What ends up happening is the denominator then will cancel with something in the numerator. Multiply then what you have left over, so 1 times 3, 3 times x minus 3, plus 1 times x. And now solve for x. So we're going to use the distributive property. Take the number positive 3, multiply it through. Combine like terms. And then solve for x. So anything that doesn't have an x in it needs to be moved to the other side, and we do that with the addition subtraction property first. And then divide off by 4 so that I get 1x. So I come up with a solution of x equals 3. However, we said at the very start x can't be 3. So in this problem, there is no solution.